Hey everyone, Georgia from Eco Modern Essentials here, and welcome to our 5th video of our top essential oil questions. Today I'm going to be talking about top tips for diffusing essential oils and how best to do so. When creating your own blends to diffuse, the aroma should still be balanced and in harmony. This is where notes come into play. You may have heard of top, middle and base notes. A good blend is normally compiled of all three of these things. It is, however, very important that you are happy with the aroma and fragrance of the blended oil, since it has to be pleasing to your senses to achieve the maximum effect. Top notes normally evaporate very fast and give you the first impression of a blend. They tend to be light, fresh and uplifting and are not very long lasting. Great examples are your citrus oils like lemon and grapefruit. The bulk of essential oils are considered middle notes and give body to the blend and have a balancing effect. The aroma of middle notes are not always immediately evident and may take a couple of minutes to come to their own right. They are both warm and soft fragrances. Some examples are rosemary, fennel and chamomile. Base notes are heavy oils with their intense and rich aroma evident, but they will also slowly evolve and be present for a long time. These essential oils can slow down the evaporation of the other oils. Some great examples of these are cedarwood, woodwood and frankincense. In a blend, if you are using a lot of delicate oils like rose, melissa, jasmine or neroli, you can use a fixative to help prolong the fragrance. Perfumers do this too. A great fixative is patchouli. Overall, there is no wrong way to diffuse essential oils, and as long as they're satisfying your needs, the blend is going to be great. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Eco Modern Essentials and we can help guide you in diffusing.